So guys, I attempted to make lasagna today, but I don't think it's lasagna it turned out to be because first of all, them shell in them box they now work. That's not the right lasagna um, pasta. I like the longer strip one than what I normally see people use. Those are better. But anyway, I get my pork ready because it was pork I did. I didn't do beef. That's why I know it's not lasagna. So I had some bacon ready, I had some pork ready. Yes, them shell, them same one that they never turn out real good the way I want it. Yeah, there's my pork all stewed, minced beef, which is pork. Cook it down ready, and I'm gonna place my thing together. First time I'm doing this, so it's not lasagna. Don't call it lasagna. I look like a lasagna cousin. But I was trying something because my daughter was bothering me for so long. Mommy, I want you to make lasagna. Poor mommy, a lasagna. Don't know how to make lasagna. Never eat lasagna. Don't like lasagna. But I decided to do it this time to get her off of my back. So I pour my meat on top of the noodle them. And may I hope for the best. I may pour it out on top of it. And then I'm gonna add my cheese and stuff like that. As I said, this noodle shell, I don't like that one. Yeah. They have some nicer ones. So next time I'm gonna try that one and see if it come out better. So I add my pork sauce on it. I make it up nice and real nice. Cause me is not a beef lover. I don't like beef, and my daughter love bacon. So I figure I may use the pork sauce, the minced pork, and use it in the sauce instead. I may put some bacon on top of it for her because she a bacon lover. Never see one pitney love eat bacon so yet. Yeah, she will eat 1 pound of bacon in a one sitting. Yep, that's her. So now me add on my bacon upon it, and then I go cover it over with one other layer again. Me go and let me know what me I do, but really and truly I don't know what me I do. See there the cheese I go upon it. Anything cheese make everything taste good. All when it not taste, all when it not good do good, and it not taste good. It don't have no flavor, flavor good. None of that stuff. And you put cheese upon it, it tastes good. Yes. So I add on my cheese them, and I get my cheese ready, and I put on my cheese on it. Now after I'm done with the cheese, then I go add on another layer of the shell now. That are the noodle shell. So you have to go cover over that the layer then now with the noodle shell, and we keep going and repeating the same thing over until you finish. Yeah. Alright, so me done over that the layer there. You have to break them, because sometimes the layer it can't fit in the corner, so you have to break them up. Yes, me I break it up there. If you kind of get little piece and scraps, to put it on the side them, because the side them still have exposing. The side them still are exposed, so you want to cover those over too. So the shell may be too, the pasta maybe too big to put there, so you may have to break them and cover those area with it. Make it lapped over each other. You don't want to do it where you don't lapped over each other, because the whole thing will fall apart. So I just see me I go on there, so see up at the top there, so I leave up there, so yeah, me I look expose inside around the edges, but now worry about that. I'm my first time I make this thing called lasagna, and I don't think this one I make was lasagna, is lasagna cousin, but hey, me try my best to make my daughter happy. Alright, may I repeat the same process again. Now we are go through it again and full it up the same way like we did the first time, and we are go through it again. Yeah, may continue, may I cheese it up again. More cheese, more bacon. Now we are going through with the bacon. We are full it up a bacon because she a bacon lover, as I mentioned before. Now we are lay it back up again, repeating the same process until it's finished, and then we are ready to get it going and get it ready for the oven. Yeah, so you just basically repeat the same thing over and over until you finish. And here I am putting some cheese on the top. I'm gonna get ready for put it in the oven and let's see the end result. I hope for the best with lasagna because my first time doing this, so I am excited to see how it turn out and how it tastes. Now we get it ready, we put on the file paper and we are going to place it in the oven and we are going to come with the end result. Voila, see it there, no look bad and it no taste bad either. Yes, my first time making lasagna and I look like lasagna cousin. But me did try my best and I put my oomph in it and she love it. She said, Mommy, it tastes real good. But then one day she just said it because she knows I put a lot of time in it and to make me feel happy. And she said, No, Mommy, it tastes good. So yes, it never come out bad. It tastes real good. But me go next time, I go try it again and I go use the next noodle and the longer one and the broader one and the more durable one and sturdy one and see if me can make it like how much the YouTuber people they make it and it look really nice. But for my first time, it never come out bad. It tastes good. I'm happy, so me try to make lasagna, especially as something women I like. Thanks for liking and subscribing to our YouTube channel. Bye for now.